Hello, good friends. My name is very German. It's Werner Ruckelshausen. And I have to tell you, when I met Paul for the first time, it was in the late 50s. I was 22 years old. I worked for my uncle, and he recently made me manager of his photo store in Frankfurt, Germany. And lo and behold, one day there is this young 29-year-old man from America coming into my store, and he's lingering around and he asked me questions left and right. And that was the beginning of our 64-year friendship. You ask, and you know that he made a lot of pictures. And sometimes you wonder, where did he get the cameras from? I sold them to him. I did. He bought his first Linhof. And when he bought the Linhof, I even had Linhof give us a tour, which they usually didn't do for just one or two people. You know, Linhof was something like what do the women buy? Louis Vuitton bags. That was Linhof in the camera industry. So he came many, many times, and more we clicked, and we really became good friends. And several times he also stayed in our little apartment, and he slept on the couch. I told him, you don't have to pay anything to the hotel industry, you can live with us. And he did, and he liked it. We went to the Frankfurt Zoo. Then I helped him when he bought his first Porsche and his first Mercedes. I helped him drive these cars all the way from Bavaria to Utrecht in Holland. I told my mother about this special guest from America. And guess what? She started baking all her cakes and stuff, and she invited the whole family. And then I visited America for the first time in '63. I had just sold Light's electronic microscope to a cancer research institute in Minnesota, and the professor invited me to help him set it up, which I did. And immediately after, he gave me a job. He says, Werner, you can work here. But to make a long story short, Paul, I came for a second time. I stayed in Paul's home. And he told me, you can live and have a better life here. And the video is a little bit of that, what I would like to give back to the family. A thank you. And I hope it works, because I noticed
Both people too. I drove the Mercedes. It took some doing to get this.